So most of the content that they spoke about is in Eikon. You can view it in Eikon. So we have done two things, is created a dedicated app. So it's very easy to find any information related to new risk-free rate. You simply type in IBOR and you will land on a main page where you have links to understand what's going on. So what Vince has just explained. So you have links to the central bank publications. And then you have dedicated tab per new risk-free rate. So you have one on SOFR, one on Sonia, one on Esther, and then on each of those tabs you will find the content that we have. So obviously you have the fixing, so you can get the quote. If you want to take that quote real-time, open it in Excel. You can also have the time series of that quote, the charting. We also have very decent data coming from interdealer brokers on, especially on basis swaps. On SOFR, typically we have basis swaps 3 months LIBOR against SOFR. We are starting to see new content on Esther, a bit less active than SOFR, but still we have pretty decent content. And on Sonia, it's a market that was there, so we have a lot more OIS content on Sonia already, as we add on Ionia, for instance, for Euro or Fed funds for USD. So that's one thing, it's the app, and what we are committed to is that we will update that app. So when new content coming from Dave, like swaptions, for instance, volatilities, we will put them on the app. So keep an eye on this app, IBOR app, put it in your favorites, and it will get updated with all new content that we have. The other things that we are doing is modifying the existing tools that people are used to, especially the search tools. So you have a Google type search. If you type in SOFR futures, you will find the futures in one click. If you type in SOFR basis swaps, you will find the basis swaps. So that's very easy. And we have advanced search, so Gov search, for instance, for the FRNs. So if you want to have a list of the FRNs denominated on SOFR, you would go into Gov search, and we have also IRD search, advanced IRD OTC search, to find what I was referring to before, like the OIS, interest rate swap, basis swaps, FRAs, and things that are coming next, like swaptions or caps floors, volatilities, for instance, directly in the search tool. And as Dave referred to, we have also created derived content from the data that we have, and that's really important for valuation and analytics. So we have a SOFR curve, we have an Esther curve, we have a Sonia curve. So it's all bootstrapped by us, by Refinitiv. The curves are also available on the IBOR app, and then you can use that curve to make your fair value calculations in the calculator. So swap pricer, you enter euro, you choose fixed flow OIS, you select Esther, you've got the Esther curve to discount your cash flows or calculate your forward 14 cash flows. Same on SOFR, same on Esther. It means that you can price, not only view the quote, but price a customized OTC basis swap SOFR against 3 months LIBOR, for instance, using our curve. So it's also very important to be fully transparent on the constituents that we use. So that's also something we put on our content, on our RICS page in Eikon. So you can find the curve, you can chart the curve, but also know what are the constituents that we've used, what are the analytics methods we've been using for bootstrapping and for interpolation. So it's all there.